Look at is DBMM. This was requested over on our live stream chat on investorshangout.com/live. This was also on Jobum's watch list. So when I pulled it up, I was like, all right, we went through this one. I like to spread these out. Every 2 weeks, I think I'm going to start making that mark here to recover stocks over and over. So on the 9th, we took a look at it, and that is going to be on right here, the 9th, just so you guys get a better idea on your screen where the 9th was. I said if volume continues, it could move. The volume just basically went sideways since. All right, it went sideways since. The volume was there, which is good because it sustained the price. And then on the 19th, which was going to be right here, I said hold until you see more sixes. So that was on that day. And you still, even though when we looked at it, 0004, I said hold until you see more sixes. You still didn't see sixes that day. And guess what? You got that signal that I put on there. I told you guys what to look for until you see more sixes. And guess what? You started seeing those sixes, and it's taken off from there. So congratulations to everybody that watches these streams and follows them. That would have been your cue point. You guys, I try to keep it, as accurate as I can if everything flows in. And guess what? That volume came in, and I talk about that volume. I think that DBMM might be setting up for another move here. So I'm going to put this one on alert, 0009, on alert, technical analysis. Okay, and why I put TA in there now, I've been doing that. It's based off the chart because, like Joe said, he disagreed with me on another one based on what the company was doing, which is understandable. Joe's right. That stuff can change. But you guys just went from bearish and flipped back over to bullish in a 3-day trading session. On TA, alert on TA, chart turned bullish. And that is what I'm going to add in there. Why would I say that? Okay, you've got the RSI currently at 66, which is going to be in the bullish territory with room to move still. Okay, the 50 marks usually the medium part. The parabolic SAR flipped over, and now you are above all simple day moving averages. This is all key points, guys. The parabolic SAR right there is that dot flipped underneath, and then you've got the 10-day, 20-day, and 30-day simple moving averages directly under it. You guys tapped those sixes that I was looking for 2 days in a row, and now you're at the 0009. If this volume continues, this one's going to blast off. I don't say that to hype up anything. I try not to. But again, I'm just telling you guys how I see it. So alert at 0009. Good job, Jobum. It just hit all the signals that I was personally looking for. And Joe, do you have anything to add for this? Was there any recent news or anything that fired us off?
Well, there's no recent news, but I mean, it's pink limited information. So it's got the yield sign. But the thing is, I went into their the filings. There's an NT10Q that was received on January 19th. So I went into that really quick. And it states that registrants limited resource prevent it from allocating timely resource to the completion of its quarterly financial statements without unreasonable effort or expense. So the company intends to file the first quarter 2017, coincidentally, coincidingly with the 10K 2016. So the company sees the filing as a priority and will transact as soon as possible. So it's basically stating, that they plan on doing this as soon as possible with the first quarter 2017 and the 10K from 2016. So they're looking to get, up to date on everything as soon as possible.
That's good. Mm-hmm. I mean, like you said, we can go back and forth on that yield signs, stop signs, and all that, but it does come down to it.
Yeah, but that's always something to pay attention to. But I mean, at least when you go into the filings and you see that the company's actually, doing something about it.
Making an effort, right? Exactly. Yeah. Totally agree, man. 0009, like I said, on alert, technical analysis, chart turned bullish. Again, this was off of investorshangout.com/live. Thank you to Jobum over there for bringing this up again and making sure that we circle back around it. So DBMM really shaping up here.